Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your webcam is not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa right side, so scroll down. At dito sa app permissions, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung camera. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa camera access, makikita mo dito sa pinakauna. And dito lang sa right side ay kailangan lang natin itong i-turn on yung button niya. Alright? So turn on natin yan. And next step, dito lang sa let apps access your camera. So kailangan lang natin itong i-turn on mga kaibigan. Dito sa kanyang mga apps na nandito. Alright? So once nagawa mo na dito sa settings and other solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin itong settings. So, dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So, type mo lang dito yung device manager and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa device manager, and then next step, select mo lang dito yung camera. So, double click mo lang siya. And then, kailangan mo lang i-update itong kanyang driver. So, kung paano ba yan i-update? So, i-select mo lang yan and then right click and select mo lang dito yung update driver. And may dalawang option na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers and then yung browse my computer. And then select ka lang dito sa dalawa and then tap mo lang tong search automatically. So i-click mo lang yan and wait natin. So makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so after dito sa device manager and other solution na pwede mong gawin, so, same dito sa search menu and dito sa search for app, type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito lang sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So, in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So, dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so dito lang ulit sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Alright, so click mo lang tong restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix webcam not working properly in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.